Hi there, I'm in Bedfordshire today with FFS, Cooking Over an Open Fire. That stands for Fire, Ferment and Smoke, and not for fuck. Let's just put that in there, get that in like that. That's it. So, you know, it'll roll around a little bit because it's, you know, this is quite a small chicken. But we'll get that on, and then we'll keep an eye on it. And you know, we'll guess when it's there visually, but then we've got that backup with the temperature probe to completely double check. We're going to have it quite high, probably even higher than that actually, just to make sure it doesn't start to get too burnt. So just to start getting it warmed up. So obviously it's been in the fridge overnight, and it's.
Do you want the onions?
Yeah, if you grab two of each, yeah, that'd be more than enough. And then really, all we're going to do is literally shove them straight on. Really, don't be scared of this at all. Especially things like the butternut squash, charred all over. They'll go in a bag, sweat, and then that skin will just scrape off really easily. With the aubergines, again, the skin will char, but we're just going to cut them half, scoop the flesh out. Yeah. The onions, you know, they'll go quite black and charred, and the outer couple of layers will burn. But what it then does is the moisture's released and the stuff inside steams and goes really soft. What works really well on here, but it's obviously seasonal, is corn on the cob with the sheath on it, you know, the green leaves. Yeah. Just leave it as it is. Put again, soak it first, because once they've been cut, the leaves dry out quite quickly on the outside. But just soak it in. Baking a bit too precise for me. You have to actually weigh stuff. It's not guesswork. So it's. When you do a panic, you do by eye, don't you? Oh yeah, like that, yeah. With the scale there.
Now you control yourself. You know, you can eat out every day, all day.
So what you do, mate?
This is the baba ganoush.
Right. Garlic mash.
There's garlic going in, tahini. This is the aubergines. Salt and cumin. Yeah, salt and cumin and a bit of lemon. And then you would obviously just, rest. So what we'll do on this, we'll probably use one of those other little folding metal dishes and just fold it flat. And just to show you how it works, because it's so small, you can't really do much in it. We just put a couple of the biscuits in to see the principles. But they do work. So what you need to do.
Small.
You want this? Yeah. But you know, just a little bannock and stuff. But you do need. So you want this. You do need flames for this. Eventually, they definitely sell a little one, but you'll see enough of the detail to sort of replicate it. But you could scale it up because I say they're not much bigger than that.
So 60 of that. That's right.
It's quite warm. Should put it down.
Right, so it's done. The butter's still a bit hard.
Yeah.
So
I reckon it doesn't need to be too much at all. No?
We'll clean up.
If you want to put your cake straight on there, so we'll do these one now. We'll get the other cake batter made. As soon as this one's done, we can bake that. And then what we'll do, just going to put that on top. It will go just about. Bit of a tight fit with those bricks, but just want to make sure when we lift it, tip the cake up. And then we're just going to just pile these back around. I'll get the cabbage on the go. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
I think we can say that's done.
Yeah, that's nice and firm.
Brilliant.
That is.
Just a little bit.
So we can put that here, Kev?
Yeah, just prop that up. Someone else can turn the salt block with the glove, and then I'll do that. Cooking on fires. Yeah. I first started working in bushcraft in 2001, so.
again, you start to.
Stand the heat and constant reuse and stuff, and he does a lot of all sorts of things with that. And then he'll spray it with things with flavour that he'll spray into it, and it'll help to steam things, but add flavour in there as well.
Well, you prop and be well hot, so you let it turn it straight away.
Brilliant. So just quickly finish the cabbage off. Salmon 3 ways, flatbread and spiced cabbage to start with. I mean, yeah, I think the group size for this would be a maximum of 10 anyway. It will start getting unwieldy after.